Good morning. What brings you in today?
我最近有啲頭暈同頭痛。
How long have you been feeling this way?
差唔多1個月，但係而家越嚟越頻密。
Have you noticed any other symptoms, like chest pain or shortness of breath?
冇胸口痛，但係行樓梯嗰陣，有時會覺得呼吸有少少急促。
Those symptoms can sometimes be linked to hypertension. Do you check your blood pressure at home?
好耐冇量過啦，血壓同頭暈頭痛有關咩？
Hypertension can cause headaches, dizziness, and even difficulty breathing. It often doesn't have clear symptoms, which is why we check it regularly. Do you have a blood pressure cuff at home?
有。
I want you to check your blood pressure at home. You'll record your readings and share them with me.
好嘅，幾高嘅血壓先算係過高呢？
The ideal blood pressure should be below 120/80. If your blood pressure exceeds these numbers, we will need to start treatment.
好嘅，冇問題。如果血壓太高會點樣？
If it's high, we'll talk about lifestyle changes and possibly medication to help bring it down.
你覺得壓力會唔會影響血壓？我最近有啲壓力。
Stress can definitely affect your blood pressure. Finding ways to relax, like yoga, meditation, spending time outdoors, or even deep breathing, can help manage it.
高血壓會唔會影響我嘅睡眠？最近我都瞓得唔好。
Yes, it can cause difficulty sleeping, especially if your blood pressure is not well controlled.
好嘅，我會做記錄同帶記錄返嚟俾你睇。
Great, I'll see you in 2 weeks, and we'll go over the results to see if any adjustments are needed. Please go to the front desk to make an appointment now.
唔該晒醫生，2個星期後見。